Let's talk about Intel 18A. It's not just another process technology stop for Intel Foundry, but a milestone in the history of chip making. That's because of multiple breakthroughs that return Intel to the forefront of innovation. First up, RibbonFET gate-all-around transistor technology. It's a fancy name that describes ribbon-shaped channels stacked vertically to improve transistor density and power efficiency. They take up less space, use less energy, and work faster. It's Intel's most significant transistor technology innovation in more than a decade. Next, Intel Foundry turned chip making upside down, literally, with PowerVia, the industry's first backside power technology in production. By putting power connections on the back of the die, the front is freed up for faster data flow. Removing that congestion can lead to longer battery life and reduced energy consumption. RibbonFET and PowerVia are Intel Foundry's 1-2 punch, delivering jumps in performance, density, and power efficiency, and paving the way for continued future advances. Panther Lake, Intel's lead product for client using the Intel 18A process, is gearing up to launch in the second half of 2025. And through Intel Foundry, Intel 18A will be available to all customers, shaking up the industry and empowering endless possibilities.